How to fix hamster invite friends link not working. So to fix that problem, first you need to open up your Telegram application. Go with the Hamster Kombat and then tap on play, which is on the bottom left, and it will take you to the Hamster Kombat, right? Once you're here, go with the friends option, which is on the bottom right, and from here you can tap on invite a friend, and you can simply choose the person that you would like to invite. So for example, I'll be choosing, and then tap on send, and in this way you can invite your friends. But if you're not being able to invite your friends, then what you need to do is simply go back, remove your Telegram, and again open up your Telegram or reload your Telegram, and then go with the Hamster Kombat, and you can again go with play, which is on the bottom left, and again proceed, and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply tap and hold on to your Telegram application, go with app info, tap on storage and cache, go with clear cache, and your problem might be fixed. Or you can also go with your Play Store and check for any updates if you have any updates, because if your app is not up to date, then you might find this kind of problems. So what you need to do is simply go with your App Store or your Play Store, go with the search and search for Telegram. Once you search here, you may have any updates. So if you have any updates, simply go with the update and update your application, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.